Good morning, students. Hope you will be safe at your home. Now be ready to and have a good spirit of learning. Earlier we have completed our first chapter of literature. Now after that we will read one poem. The name of a poem is The Long Way Home. This poem is written by the poet C. J. Dennis. Before listening this video, first you read this poem at least 3 times from your screen and write it on a page and try to read and recite it. This will help you in understanding it easily. Second step of understanding is that while writing you underline the difficult word on next page and try to find out their meaning yourself from the dictionary. Hope you will have completed the given task. Now I am explaining you the poem. This is a poem related to a boy whose age is approximate same as of your age group. In this poem, that boy is coming back from Billy's house. Maybe Billy can be one of his friend. He is describing how is the way of his home, why he choose that way, what he had to face in that way. At last, what he decided to reach home safely. Now, let's read. The first line is, when I go back from Billy's place, I always have to roam. Means the boy is saying that whenever I return back from Billy's home to my house, in that way I always have to roam. Roam means travel aimlessly over a long area. The mazy road, the crazy road that leads the long way home. The road which I choose to come back home is very mazy and crazy. Mazy means confused or amazing. It makes me little bit in confusion and crazy. Crazy means it makes me little aggressive in my attitude as it is too long to reach home late. But still I adopted that long way. Students, now you will have some queries in your mind why the boy adopted that long way. So let's come and read next line to know the answer of this question. Ma always says, why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? Now the boy is saying, that boy is telling that his mother always asked him that why did not he come through the Mr. Donkin's land. According to her mother, the way of Mr. Donkin's land is better than that long way. So he should choose the way suggested by his mother. Now come and read what reason is given by his mother to choose Mr. Donkin's land. The footbridge track will bring you back. Ma does not understand. In this line, the boy is telling that the mother suggested me to come back through the path which footbridge is there, which is used by pedestrian. Pedestrian means पैदल चलने वाले. But he did not choose the footbridge way, which bring him back to his home directly in less time. Students, can you imagine why did not he followed his mother's suggestion? I cannot go that way, because of Donkin's dog. In this line, the boy is giving the reason for not going to the Donkin's land as there is Mr. Donkin's horrible dog, which made him feared and terrified. So now the student, what that boy did after avoiding that Mr. Donkin's land track. Come and read line 6. So I set forth and travel with north and cross the falling log. The later the boy set forth means decided to move from the north side, where he found a huge piece of fallen log there and he had to cross over it. But he did it. Students, now come and know what else he had to face in this way last week. Last week, when I was coming by that log had fallen lizard in it, and you cannot say I'd stop to play if I just search for a minute. In these lines, the boy is telling that last week when he was going from that fallen log's way, he saw some lizard in that fallen log, and he also admitted that he could not spend a minute to stop there to play or doing any other things. Now you can tell after seeing the lizard what he did there. Let's read. I look around upon the ground, and if there are no lizard, I go right on and reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard. The boy searched everywhere upon that ground, whether there is any lizard or not. When he found safe there, then he went to that road straight till the turn had not come where Mrs. Blizzard house is there. I do not seek to cross the creek because it's deep and floody, and Ma would be annoyed with me if I came home all muddy. I also did not adopt the another way of creek. Creek means stream or tributary of a river, means पानी की छोटी धारा. As there, in that way, I had to cross that deep and overflooded stream. Secondly, my mother also became slightly annoyed. Annoyed means irritated and angry if I came back from there in full of muddy condition. So the students, you understand in this poem how a little boy is describing about his mental status to adopt a long way to reach his home back. Hope you enjoyed it. Try to learn and recite the poem again and again. Good day to you all. Obey your elders and make your precious time fruitful by involving yourself in your studies regularly.